In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Fortnite gift card on PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly redeem a Fortnite V-Bucks gift card and get the V-Bucks on your PlayStation 4. Now, something that I need to make very clear is that for you to redeem the V-Bucks gift card, you need to do it through this website at Fortnite.com. You cannot do it on the actual game. So instead of opening up the game on your PlayStation 4, you need to go over to a web browser on your computer or your phone or even the PlayStation 4 itself and access Fortnite.com. In this website, sign into your Epic Games account that you use to play Fortnite, and once you are signed in, you will be able to hover over more and choose V-Bucks. So, in this page, you will be able to redeem your V-Bucks card. Redeem your V-Bucks card. Cards purchased at retail stores are redeemed here. And what I have to say is an Epic Games account is required to redeem a V-Bucks card code. If you have played Fortnite, you already have an Epic Games account. So the Epic Games account should be the one attributed to your PlayStation Network account. When you choose the option to sign in, you will be able to select PlayStation Network, and that should be enough. Click Get Started below to find your Epic Games account and redeem your V-Bucks. Immediately upon clicking Get Started, you will be able to enter the code. So as you can see on the supported devices, they do have PlayStation, and all that you have to do now is get the code. Where do I find this? The code or PIN you need is located on the back of the card under a scratch-off security covering. Please note that the PIN on the back of your card can only be redeemed through this website. So as soon as you scratch off the security covering, you will be able to find the code and you can input it here. Now sadly, I don't have any codes to demonstrate this process in full, but as soon as you include your V-Bucks gift card code in here, you will be able to click Next and see if the code that you have is properly activated and ready to be used. After this, you can open the game on your PlayStation 4 and you will see the V-Bucks available in the item shop. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Fortnite V-Bucks gift card on PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.